Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. You guys spoke with my business partner Colleen on the phone yesterday. I have your guys' website pulled up because I want to go over a few things that you guys can start doing today that'll in turn help you guys get some more online traffic and boost your rankings on the Google search engine. So with that being said, let's dig right into it. So I have your guys' website pulled up, and overall it's actually a pretty good layout. The layout, there's really no problems with the layout. The only thing I can see is there's just a lack of content. So with Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And why they want so much content is because they want to figure out what they want to rank you for. So when people type into the search engines, Google's going to look at your homepage and figure out what topicals that you guys are going to get ranked for in Google's eyes. So with your competitors and things like that, there's really not a whole lot of content on even the guy in the top spot. So this is Stewart's Plumbing. They are in the first to third spots for most of the keywords that are being ranked for as far as it relates to your guys' business. But as you can see, I mean, they don't have a lot of content either as well. So definitely adding some content to your homepage will definitely bring in some more traffic. But like I said, overall layout is good. I would start with content, and then that takes us into another thing. So over here, if you just do a quick search for plumbing and heating, like we said, so this would be like a keyword or key phrase that Google would rank you for. You're going to see right here, there's some ads. On a quick side note, if you are not Google guaranteed already, I would definitely recommend it because it's just going to add another trust for Google. You'll see another ad right here, and typically people just scroll past the ads. So if ads aren't done right, they can be a money pit. Um, so right here we'll get into the map pack. So I'm sure you guys already have a Google My Business, but if not, I would definitely recommend getting it set up because it directly ties into how you guys rank on this map pack. With this map pack, it's important to be ranked in the top 3 because typically your normal person doesn't want to scroll and dig through how many people they can go and find. So being found right here is important. And the way you get ranked right here is through citations. So all citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. So there's thousands and thousands of directories on the internet. It's just a matter of finding how many citations your competition has, going and essentially copycatting where they're at, and then going above and beyond by finding some more citations. And then with the last thing we're going to touch on is it's called the backlink. So I have this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and it just gives us an insight on how the back end of your website is doing on the search engines. So right here we have what we call the backlinks. So a backlink is just any website that has a link on their website that redirects back to yours. And the best way to explain it is it's pretty much just a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the better off you're going to be. All backlinks are not created equal though. They do have to be relevant to the industry that you're in. So you'd want to go and find some like plumbing industries, HVAC industries, things like that. What you wouldn't want is like pizza joints, ice cream shops, things like that. Um, but like I said, all backlinks are not created equal. There's good, there's bad, and then there's spammy. If we go down here, we can take a look. So we have, for your backlinks, you have 295, which isn't bad at all. It's beating some of the competitors right now, but out of those 295, you have 264 that are do follow and 31 that are no follow. The do follow are the ones that are carrying weight. The no follow are the ones that really aren't helping you, but they're not really hurting you either. If we take a look over here, we have Stewart's Plumbing. I plugged them into this as well. And as you can see, they have 57 referring domains with 1,100 backlinks. So, like I said, with this being a popularity contest, the reason why these guys are in the top spot is ultimately because of these backlinks. So, what I would recommend for you guys is just getting this 295 number up closer to that 1100. And the way we would do that is we call it the copycat method, like I was talking about with the citations. So we just go in there, we find your competition, see where their backlinks are, take all the heavyweight carrying backlinks and put some citations with your guys' business in there. And in turn, you guys will get some good weight, good trust, and you guys will start getting popular on the search engines and start ranking near that top spot on the first page. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys found this video educational. And if you guys have any questions about any of this or how we could help you achieve those results, feel free to give me a call or reply to the email. Again, my name is Jesse. I'm with Revved Up SCO. My number is 575-201-7701. Thank you.